We are displacing landfill capacity, which is a problem in every city across the world right now, is the landfills are filling up faster than they can build them, and it's getting more restrictive and more restrictive. I think especially within the city of Calgary, where we've declared a climate emergency, to recycle where we can. And this soil, in our opinion, is very recyclable. My name is Travis Powell. I'm the president of Calgary Aggregate Recycling. What Calgary Aggregate Recycling does is we're recycling materials from demolition debris, road removals, curb and sidewalk removals. That was the traditional business, and now we are into the soil washing, where we are going to be recovering the sand and stone and repurposing it into new construction materials.
Here's how the process works. First, contaminated soil is delivered to a sorting facility where it's loaded into a feeding machine. Then, they introduce water, rinsing and separating the soil into sand, stone, and silt. The sand and stone then goes through a grinding process that liberates contaminated materials off of the surface using a chemical washer. Contaminants go into a clarifier where they are dropped out of the water. Leftover contaminants are concentrated into a filter, which is then taken to a landfill. And clean water flows back into the tank for processing, where 95% of it is filtered and recycled.
Our goal will be to offset enough emissions that we would like to be carbon neutral in the near future. We think if we're hitting our capacities with the facility that it could happen within the next 2 years. The support that we've received from Emissions Reductions Alberta, it's instrumental to a small business like this. Without it, we'd be very hard pressed to be able to build something like this. Emissions Reductions Alberta, through the Government of Alberta, provided us about $8.6 million of funding for this facility, of a total cost of about $18 million of construction.